Hey guys, back with another video, and today we have something interesting. Apple has finally, in iOS 13, released a feature that allows you to connect your Bluetooth device, whether that be a DualShock 4 or an Xbox controller. You can finally control and you can connect that to your iOS device and Mac device for that matter with Bluetooth. Yes, Bluetooth. I was just thinking, it creates so many amazing opportunities to play, games portably or remotely, wherever you are in this world. And instead of buying some generic controller, now you can just carry your DualShock 4, or if you don't have one, you can buy one just for the purpose of, gaming on the Mac, especially with the new Apple Arcade. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how to connect and on each device, so the iPad, the iPhone and the Mac, and we're gonna demonstrate and go through some games. So yeah, you can just easily connect this through Bluetooth. Just have to go on your settings, so I'll show it for the iOS and iPad OS and Mac OS. So on iOS you just go on your settings, Bluetooth, and all you have to do is hold the PlayStation and share button, and you'll start seeing the light bar to flicker. And once you see that, you can see that it will come up on your Bluetooth settings. So yeah, it comes up as DualShock 4 wireless controller. You just have to click on that and it connects, and you'll see that there's a light on the light bar, and it picks the color. I don't think we get to choose the color. So yeah, it's as simple as that. So after much difficulty, I managed to get, after all updates and downloading of assets, I managed to finally get this to work. And let's just try a sample race out. So you can see that the response of the X button works already, and we can choose the crew. And I think we can pause too, that's cool. And I think the left button allows us to use that red selector, which is also cool because it's integrating all buttons and using all the buttons of the controller. So yeah, let's try and configure control so we can take more manual controls. So after controlling, I think I managed to make manual control, and with R2 we can accelerate, and with L2 we can brake. So that's cool. R1 allows us to switch views, and this is pretty awesome, to be honest. On the go, this would be pretty fun. My chosen device of play would be the iPad, obviously due to its bigger screen, but if you just have an iPhone and you have your controller with you, not bad, especially like, let's say in the airport or something. It allows you to just spend some time. And that's a crash. But yeah, for the purpose of this video and demonstrating, I think we can see how cool this is. So the coolest thing is that Sony also released their remote play feature for iOS devices recently, and up till iOS 13 you had to use the touchscreen to control, which would be really annoying, and it would cover up the screen, and the screen, let's say, of an iPhone is small enough to see the remote play, and on top of that to have your fingers on top of it is kind of irritating. However, now with the capability to add a DualShock 4 controller, they work really well together and really enhance that remote play experience, as you can see in the demo. So yeah, once again we're putting this in pairing mode to pair to the iPad, and you can see on the screen, all you got to do is go to settings, and you can go to your Bluetooth, and you can see DualShock 4 wireless controller. So all I do is click on it and it's connected, and you see the light is on again. So the cool thing and that you can do is use remote play on your PS4, and it's amazing because before we could not do neither remote play and neither could we connect the DualShock 4, but now PlayStation has enabled DualShock 4 capabilities in remote play, and remote play allows us to control and view the PS4 from anywhere, as long as it's connected to the internet and it's on rest mode. So yeah, now you're not just stuck to your computer, but you can also play from your iPad or from your iPhone. So as you can see, it shows the on-screen controllers, but now since it's connected, I can just make use of the DualShock 4 controller. And this is awesome because sometimes you don't have your TV available or you're away. Yeah, it really depends on the internet connection how smooth the gameplay is gonna be, but now let's try and load FIFA 20 here and check out how it plays. Up till now it's really smooth, and yes, I'm on my home network right now, that's why as well, and because my PS4 is connected via LAN. But regardless, it's way smoother than what I experienced with on my laptop. Okay, as soon as I said that, we have our first lag. And as long as you have a good iPad, or if you have even the iPad Pro, you can get high resolution viewing of your remote play. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly play a sample match just to see how it performs. So yeah, up till now I think the graphics are pretty good and it's quite smooth. Looks really nice, in fact. And just from how I can see, there's a little bit of response time, so there's a little bit of delay, input lag, but yeah, on the go I think it's not too bad. I think we can live with that. Yeah, the disappointing thing is that it doesn't work on every game. However, it does work on many of the games, and they support really cool features. And also showing an Apple Arcade, you can see that there's an icon showing whether it supports MFI controllers. MFI stands for Made for iPhone, if you guys didn't know that already. And that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the content, and hopefully you like this new tutorial. I mean, you might have seen my video, which you can check with the card above, and it came some time ago, showing how you can use the DualShock 4 controller to play remote play on your Mac, and that was through a wire. But now we can do it wirelessly. Now you don't even need that stupid dongle that Sony sell for some amount, which I don't think any of you guys want to pay. So yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and the content. Like for the video, like down below, and yeah, I will have another video coming up soon which will utilize the contents of this video, so stay tuned for that, and subscribe for that so you can see it first. And don't forget to kill yeah, why don't you kill that bell notification. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.